Directional bias for this week on Euro USD. So first of all, we need to know the directional bias of the market. Currently, the market is currently bullish, if you can see from this line. Currently bullish as price already broke this higher high at this point here, right? So, and price already broke this trend line liquidity at this point here to give us highs, and it broke this high here. Why I put in this my box. This is currently the 4-hour time frame to be clear up from here. So this is my directional bias for the week. So first of all, price is currently here, right? Price is currently doing a pullback. As market broke this here, this zone, this is now a breaker block on the higher time frame. It looks too clear. And here, this red line is our liquidity. That is the first pullback before our entry, right? I know you are wondering why I have two entries. I have one here, I have one here. Why is it not just only here that I have an entry? Since I've seen my liquidity breaker block, the same market to come down here and it to trigger me, and I take this trade here. But now I noticed something. In as much as our liquidity here is okay, our liquidity looks like as if there was an indecision. There were like more than three candles together at a zone. Sometimes that's good, but sometimes it means that liquidity wasn't strong because it looks like there was more than one pullback at the same zone. So I saw another breaker block here, very close to our recent so I expected breaker block. And this red line here is liquidity for the breaker block. Forget this a week. Lower time frame, it looks like a very nice pullback. So I put my entry here, expecting market to come down here and go up. So if this zone looks like price is going to break it, I expect price to come down here and give us buys. So if this zone doesn't work like this zone doesn't work, then I expect price to do something like this. Right? I expect price to do something like this to clear out this high and to show us that okay, it's trying to maintain our bullish trend now. Right? So wondering why my TP is short is because I'm going for a 1 to 3. I don't want to be too greedy and I want to take this trade in a day. And if you're looking for how I set my TPs and my stop loss, then go to my YouTube channel. The video is waiting for you there.